The name of this recipe is a sorghum green pancake. See all the ingredients here. So this one is the curd. 1 cup curd is there. It's a sweet corn. It's a gourd, bitter gourd. Right? One small cup is fenugreek. It's a carrot. It's coriander, and one bowl is cabbage. This is required ingredients regarding the all spices. This one is the chili milk. It's mustard seeds. It's turmeric chili powder. It's urad dal, salt, and sesame seeds is there. Now, first we take a one big bowl sorghum flour. That means the jowar flour. After that, one big bowl is somonila. That means the rava. Again, one small bowl is regarding the millet. That is the pearl millet. Now we add a gourd in that. After that we add a carrot. 2 cup of carrot. Now we add 1 cup of cabbage. 1 bowl cabbage. Then fenugreek. Then coriander. Now sweet corn. Now we add the sweet corn. And 1 bowl of curd. Now we have to mix it well and make a good